Thank you and welcome back to SPAjs. In this episode, let's see what is SPA and what is component and some of the important keywords in SPAjs. In a single page application architecture, uh, the browser sends a request to the server in order to get its first page. From then onwards, the browser will send a subsequent request to server in order to build its web components. So what SPA component? If you really look into it, the SPA component is nothing but HTML, a template we call partials, and associate data which can come from the server by making AJAX request. Then the user may interact with those components in order to make it work on those actions. The JavaScript has to be written. And in order to make some style, colors, effect, we need to have a CSS. So effectively a component is nothing but a HTML and data and JavaScript and CSS. So the same thing is applies in our SPA.js. As it clearly mentioned, a SPA.js component is a subfolder with HTML file and JavaScript file and associated CSS file. A CSS file is right now it's optional, but however, we can have a component specific CSS into the folder. So that's about the SPA.js component. Okay, so it requires HTML, it requires JS, and contains optionally CSS, and we will get the data from the API. So in order to work with SPA.js, we need to know very simple few keywords. In HTML tag, we need to know the data SPA component. In JavaScript, we need to know 4 methods in order to render or define, extend, and render or refresh a component. And it comes with 4 REST API calls: method get, post, put, del. Okay. So as you've seen, the JavaScript functions dollar and dollar $extend, dollar $render, and dollar $refresh comes with options. So what are those options? In SPA dollar options, we have a very few options called template, style, target, data, data URL params, data defaults, data process. When you want to extend a component, it comes with the default methods and an array of events, which we can define later in point in time. And the SPA render and SPA refresh, dollar refresh. Basically, the dollar means a component within SPA.js. So the dollar render and dollar refresh is equivalent to component render and component refresh. So it comes with the options. Those options are nothing but the base options, and one extended option called render callback can be overridden when we are calling those methods. If you are interested to use the internationalization feature of I18N, you need to know the few keywords on attributes. It's called I18N lang, data I18N lang, and data I18N. If you want to have a programmatic value of those I18N properties, we have to use these 2 methods, I18N text and I18N apply. That's all in this episode. Looking forward to see you in our next episode. Thank you.